Hello, I'm Chong Chen Yang. I'm going to share about my internship at Luma Plastic and Printing. The company is from Bukit Berang actually, but soon moved to East on factory in Aikaro Industrial Estate after that. This company is company which produce and manufacture plastic and is located uh, around Everts, the balloon company in Ayakaro Industrial Estate, which is near to KFC Ayakaro. The printing material which manufactured by Luma Plastic is BOPP, CPP, heat sealable, nylon, matte OPP, pure white, aluminum foil pad, MPAD, and MCPP. The company product variety. There are one side seal, two side seal, three side seal, four side seal, center seal, and stand pouch. The example of the product produced by company is three side seal, where three sides are sealed and one is open. And another one is stand pouch, where there is a stand pouch at the bottom and a zipper for convenience. The company market is four divided into four. They are food, beverage, industrial, and FMCG. FMCG is referring to personal care and detergents. The process flow of the company is from printing to lamination, slitting, and finally cutting process. The printing process require usually 1 to 8 colors depending on the customers. Next, for the lamination, there are two types. The first is the dry lamination, and the second one is extrusion. Extrusion is only for material of PP, while the other material use the dry lamination. Dry lamination have two types, where the first one is require the gum, which is going to seal two plastic together, while the others no. For the slitting process, is obviously they cut the desired shape from one whole row completed printed material into one, two, or more rows for further process, either for customer directly or for cutting process. For the cutting process, they have many machines where they can produce one side seal, two side seal, three side seal, center seal, and stand pouch. After the cutting process is done, there come the quality control. There are three types of the quality control. The first is sealing test, second is water test, and the final one is manual test. Sealing test is going to test about the sealing properties of all the products. In this case, the sealing machine is required in certain temperature and depends on different materials. They use different temperatures for different materials in order to produce a more suitable products. Next, after the sealing properties, we have to test at the water test area. In this case, we use the seal-proof machine. You can see from the side, on the top, middle of the top, that the product is placed in the water before the machine is operated. The product remains at its own size. After this machine is applied under pressure of more than 20 cm Hg, the product is become expanded and expanded until the biggest possible available appearance, and we have to test the properties of the product at this moment to see and test whether it can be sold to other customers. After the whole process is done, the product is taken out and have a manual test. Manual test is going to test the product on the overall properties like the appearance, the sealing, and others. For the water test, there is a meter for measuring the pressure. There can be either in centimeter Hg or in Hg, depends on different countries. The company produce product for many countries, but mainly is in Malaysia. For foreign countries, they include Singapore and Australia, where the customer are confident about our company on the cutting machine, the bag making machine, which seal fold in a totally complete and orderly manner. As you can see, in the seal-proof machine, there are two buttons which are green and red color button. The green button is for starting to operate the machine, and the red color is to stop the machine. Once the green color button is applied, the pressure are applied to the water and the products, and at the moment the product will compress under certain pressure and become expanded until it becomes the maximum available size it can be. And then when the pressure reaches until certain centimeter Hg, the red button is applied to make sure the product are in a totally safe manner. That's all from me. Thank you. Have a nice day.